Okay, so we are back with the rest of the anatomical regions, the appendicular regions. So we learned the axial. Now let's look at the appendicular regions. Recall appendicular meaning appendages, limbs. Okay, so let's start with that. So we'll first look at the upper extremities and then the lower extremities. So starting with the shoulder area, referred to as acromial. Then the armpit, the armpits, referred to as axillary. Then the arm, referred to as brachial. Then the anterior part of the elbow, basically where your arm folds. So here, anterior part where your arm folds. This is referred to as antecubital. Front of the elbow, so to speak. Okay, so let's look at this again. Acromial, armpits, axillary, arm, brachial, front of elbow, antebrachial, forearm, antebrachial, sorry, antecubital for the front of elbow, forearm, antebrachial, wrist, carpal, palm, palmar, digits, digital, and the thumb is referred to as the pollex. These are all associated with upper extremity. And make sure you always refer to this as right, this side as left. So we have left acromial, left axillary, left brachial, left antecubital, left antebrachial, left carpal, left palmar, left digital, left pollex. Similarly, refer to these right side areas as right. Now the lower extremities. We are still looking at the anterior aspect, the lower extremities. Let's start with beyond the, recall we studied, we learned this is the inguinal junction between the abdominopelvic and the lower extremity. Starting with that, the thigh area. This is known as femoral. The anterior surface of the knee, patellar. Many of these names are based on which bone is present or which bone is the dominatingly present bone in this part of the appendage. So femoral from femur, patellar from patella, which is the kneecap. Then the leg, the anterior portion of the leg. We refer to this as crural. Then the ankle, refer to that as tarsal. Then you have the digits of the toe. You can refer to that as digital. All of this on the left side of the body. And that would be repeated on the right side. So, right femoral, right patellar, right crural, right tarsal, and right digital. This completes our appendicular areas anteriorly. Next one will be for the posterior areas.